Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I'd like to show you how to find one of the most popular Instagram filters or were effects in 2022. This is a list that I come up with. I actually found this to be very popular for a lot of users. They're using these filters and it's something that you should try as well. So now let's dive right into this video, and let me show you the first filter and how you can find it. It's very simple. Just go here and let's go to story. Now please select story, and here in story you need to scroll left till the very end. And now here we have browse effects. Please tap on browse effects, and here in browse effects go to the search bar, and here please write the first effect. Okay, this is the first effect. It's a very popular effect. This filter is it's pretty popular. It's been very popular recently. So it's called stereoscopy. I think it's called. Okay, it's this one. Now let me show you the next filter that you should try. It's called the Little Mermaid. And is this one. Okay, and so now the next filter is not so basic. It's called not so basic, and is this one. So try this filter and let me know in the comments if you like it. Now let me show you the next filter. Now if you know other filters, popular filters that are very popular, please let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate that. This is the next filter. Alright, so try this filter and let me know if you like it. So those are the filters pretty much. Let me know if you have other filters that you like me to use as well, or you like me to try, or just let me know in the comment section if you know other popular filters that I haven't mentioned here. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Take care.